What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here, Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about our 2016 Ford Escape SE model. Really pretty color. It's got the alloy wheels. This car is in great shape. Fog lights up front. It's got the roof rails if you want to put a roof rack on it later. Parking sensors. Backup camera. Good cargo area in the back. Of course, these seats fold down as well. Good rear seat leg room. Also, it has a built-in inverter if you need to like charge a laptop or something. Really clean car. Of course, all your power options: power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, power driver's seat. Car currently has 33,097 miles. Auto climate control, CD player, Bluetooth for your cell phone, cruise control. Overall, really nice car. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can reach me anytime at 503-875-5938. Have a great day.